Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to crop a shape in Photoshop for best two way. Okay, I apply the first way. Now see this selection tool, rectangular marquee tool, elliptical marquee tool, single row marquee tool, single column marquee tool. I used the best selection tool, rectangular marquee tool. Okay, now click and drag it. Another way to select the pen tool path. Okay, then hold shift or straight. First of all, right click mouse, convert to smart object, then use pen tool, select path, hold shift for straight. Now see this mini curve, control J for back, hold shift, hold control, hold alter. Okay, then proceed. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Ctrl J for duplicate and select the tool. Remove this. Hold Ctrl I for double.